Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful pearl white 2017 Subaru WRX all-wheel drive turbocharged sedan. Very nice sporty cars here. We love the Subarus, we love the WRXs, STIs. We're Subaru certified shop to where we fix so many of these and know our way around the Subarus that you can rest easy knowing that you're getting a great car. This one comes with a nice aftermarket front brush guard with LED lights. It's activated by a switch inside. They do work great. LED front headlights as well as fog lights, all automatic on that as well too. Modifications include NVIDIA catless downpipe and turbo back exhaust, and then we get a Cobb stage 1 air filter, and then get a Perrin blow-off valve and turbo excess internal wastegate. So that would be the modifications done, and then this whole engine unit's been replaced. Some brand new short block, so brand new engine in this one, ready to go. No issues. Comes with aftermarket wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, tinted windows. Also get the blacked out badges. Tires are all new. Interior super clean, no smoke, no pet odor. Cloth interior with all-weather Subaru floor mats. Get the original owner's manual, the wheel lock for the updated lug nuts, and then we get a rear backup camera, touchscreen stereo with apps, including Starlink, AHA, and Pandora. Also get standard AC controls. Automatic CVT transmission in this one, keyless entry, dual cup holders, dual heated front seats. Also get auxiliary USB connectivity. Nice black headliner with interior illumination for the vanity mirrors. And then we get that nice frameless rear view mirror with HomeLink, auto dimming rear view mirror. Looks really clean. And then this is the WRX premium model, so you get the automatic windows for the front. You also get the sunroof. So good extra features there with the premium model. As you can see, those all-weather floor mats there. You get some cup holders for the back. And then these split fold 60/40 rear seats. Get that nice red stitching throughout the vehicle. Clean door panels, tinted windows, just real nice car all the way around. Then you can see that burnt tip there, the NVIDIA exhaust. Nice and rust-free car, Florida vehicle. For previous owners, no reported accidents, auto check certified. It's good knowing it's never been in a wreck. And then you got the blacked out badges, small lip spoiler, single exit exhaust versus the dual from the factory. Got the nice Subaru rumble to it. Super clean paint. Automatic windows for driver, passenger front. Upgraded paddle shifters, so they're a little bit longer, so you got a longer reach. Car drives great as a CVT. I mean, I love it in a 5-speed, but it's also great in a CVT as well. Drives really nice, boost comes on strong, and stays there all the way through. So you get that nice animation, sweeping gauges, nice little entry there. Comes with 101,000 original miles. No warning lights. Revs nicely. It's got that nice blow-off valve sound from that Perrin BOV. And then, so this would be for adjusting anything here. You can see your digital speedometer and what drive you're in. You can also, it has multiple drive modes. So you got SI drive, so sport and intelligent, and then you get sport sharp. So you can see kind of the boost and torque curve up there. You got the cruise control and Bluetooth, voice command, and then also up here we get a boost gauge. And nice stereo. Sounds great, no issues there. And then all the apps there with it. Starlink's a little extra, ice cold AC. But you can scroll through here, get a clock, you can get the all-wheel drive, you get all kinds of good little features there. And then it has the compass built into the rear view mirror there. And then that is a tilt, and then this is the automatic one-touch slide back. And then we get a replaced windshield, no cracks, no chips, ready to go there too. But everything's very nice, very clean. Got the new engine in it, ready to go. Beautiful car, the nice sport wheels, exhaust, and there's those little LED lights on there. So they're super, super bright, but super clean car, really fun to drive. Coming into an automatic, it's more friendly for all types of drivers versus just people focused on stick-shift cars, and it drives excellent as an automatic. Very fun, great noises out of this one. So you can find this beautiful 2017 Subaru WRX Premium exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.